Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add or remove a stock from a pie in Trading212. So if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know that select right here your investing account. You can do this on CFD. You need your investing account. Then we click right here on the pie option, and then from here we can select right here a pie. So let's select maybe the Flux 2. And then if you want to change this, we can go right here to holdings and then click on edit pie. Then right now we can remove if you want to remove something. So let's remove Apple and Microsoft, then do done. And if you want to add a stock, we select right here add and search, for example, Meta Platforms and Tesla. Then we do continue. And now we can select the percentage that we want to add in the pie. Then we do confirm. And right now we added and we removed stocks from our pie. So this is how you can add and remove stocks from your pie. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.